Jota tije mag mbalariany kata vice chancellors mapacho ka dwaro jo Kenya mondo chiw thuolo ne keto e tim chenro manyien mar siro somo mar mbalariany. Kano telegi kod jalup jakom mar jotend mbalariany mapacho ka endi Profesa Nairo, giwacho ni keto e tim kit siro somo manyien no onego tigo do kuom dweche 4 kapok otimne lokruok moro amora. Mbalariany mapacho ka endi bende okwa mondo many yore mamoko mag manyo omenda manyalo konyogi dhi nyime gi siro chenro mag somo.
In that model where we have over to a model like this one, if you're looking for quality and cost, will normally run through a cycle of 48 months. So the planners of this model should have had a cushioning fund during the transition period so that universities are engaging in the model, parents are being sensitized as learning goes on so that our students are not disadvantaged.
But within the institution, similarly, what do we have? I think all the institutions are very rich, very wealthy in terms of human resources, but what do we do with those brains? This will definitely aid us. This will definitely help us in getting a little more money to help us run our activities.